Patricia Pinto, founder and CEO of La Creme Modeling and Acting, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to become a professional model. First of all, you need to train. My biggest advice is that you learn how to walk on a runway properly. Learn all the techniques, the proper poise and posture, the proper poses, the best walking technique that goes with your body. That's my advice, number one. Second, you need to find the right agent. At La Creme Modeling Agency, we represent different talents from all areas, and we have been enhancing the dreams of thousands of children, young adolescents, and adults of both genders all over the world for 30 years. Our sustained success in the United States has been tremendous, and we have expanded in a global platform now. So it is very important that you find someone that is going to represent you properly, that is going to be able to show the skills that you possess. A great photo shoot is important. Make sure you have amazing pictures. A picture is what gets you at the door of a casting director. So make sure your photos are amazing. If this is for modeling that you are applying, you need to have digitals, a headshot of you, right profile, left profile, and a body shot. And I recommend that you wear black for this and have a white background. So black pants, tight, it should be leggings, and a black tank top, okay? So we can see your body. We want to see how you look. We want to see how amazing you are. Of course, if it's high fashion model, we need you to be 5'9" and above. If not, you can be petite model, you can be plus size models for other type of designers. But most of the high top fashions are requiring 5'9" and above. Even though modeling now is more diverse, we are using all different type of looks, all different type of models. Even people with disability are welcome to apply at fashion shows. So I invite you to follow lacreme.com and also go to our Instagram at lacreme, our Twitter is at lacreme, our TikTok is at lacreme, so you can see more of the tips on how to become a successful model. I invite you to apply, and God bless you, and remember, life is an audition.